Good morning. How's everybody doing today? I am John with Attainable Adventure, and today we're going on an overnight bikepacking trip on the Clown Bike. Hitting the local bike trail, hoping to do around 30 to 60 miles, depending on how we feel. Taking a buddy out on his first overnight bike trip. Catch you later. She fits right in the back of the Escape, folded up. It's a snug fit though with all the bags on. I am all set up. We are at the bike trail. I'm waiting for Rob to pack up his kit and we will hit the trail. It's about a 96 miles to the end where it collects in Columbus. We're starting from Peter's Cartridge Factory. Fantastic brewery. We are biking on the Little Miami Bike Trail. I think we got Caesars Creek to the east. And yeah, it's been a pretty relaxing mid-70s ride so far. Definitely cannot complain. Rob and I are just cruising along the Little Miami Bike Trail again. Just about to Waynesville. We are 20-ish miles in so far, and no complaints. Well, we made a detour, and we went to Caesars Creek Lake to hang out in probably one of the shelters for a little while and just relax while we recover a little bit. Rob is somewhere down there, but he should be here soonish. That's the plan. So what do you think so far?
It kicked my ass. I should have been better prepared.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Well, things did not go to plan. My Clown Bike back here got a nice juicy flat. Ripped the stem, couldn't repair it, and me in all my infinite wisdom no longer had a spare since I used it on my daughter's 20-inch bike that's somewhere back there. The missus came, picked us up. That was another trip. It rained pretty heavily overnight, but as you can see right now, it looks like it would have been amazing riding this morning. So we'll catch it again on the next trip. Have a good one, everyone.